Okay, for this video, we will be tearing down this mini DC UPS. So this is the WGP 103 51212. This is a 12 volts 2 ampere input, while the output will be 5 and 2. So this has a USB port for the 5 volts and 12 volts for the output. Okay, and this one is the input where you put the AC adapter in, and this will have a enough. So this is a 8800 milliampere. So this was damaged during the Typhoon Tino, so we will be tearing this down first. So let's check the cover. So this is the power on, but unfortunately it is a flooded battery pack. So let's tear this down. So yeah, I can see corrosion. And okay, as you can see, this was totally submerged in the flood. So I can see that there is a corrosion on the components. Yes, and this is the battery, so hopefully it's a well glue. Yeah, so this is what's the inside of a DC UPS. Oh, you can see there's a corrosion. Ah, BMS is dead, corroded. Yeah, it's corroded, and then we can check each cell. Oh, and BMS is dead. So make sure to dispose this properly. So it has a legit 3.7. So let's separate each cell. If we can revive the cells, then we can reuse this for other projects. Okay, so let's check. Moment of truth. Set to DC voltage, and it's still 3.7. So this one is okay. 3.5 and still okay. 3.5 still okay. 3.7. So the batteries, the cells are okay. So this one is the BMS, so the battery management system. So expected that this is already corroded and short-circuited, and maybe we can reuse this once we can check, but unfortunately yeah, it's broken. So we can power it up and clean this and for testing. For the meantime, I'll just reuse this for other future projects. Right, so this is the mini DC UPS. This is the from WGP. So a very good brand for the DC UPS. By the way, you can use this to other projects to support. This is a 3.7 cell, so you can use it for future projects. Alright, see you around. That's how you unbox.